Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to your science class. I hope all of you are staying at home. Please stay home and please be safe. Do you all remember which lesson we are studying? Yes, it is our fourth lesson, Animals and Their Young Ones. So we completed the life cycle of a frog. Then we saw the life cycle of fishes and we saw about reptiles. So today, teacher thought that I will tell you, we will study the life cycle of insects. How are insects reproducing? Insects reproduce by laying eggs. Can you give the names of some insects? Yes, tell me the names of some insects which you see around you. Yes, you know, grasshoppers, butterflies, cockroaches, houseflies, bugs, so many insects. See the pictures? So many insects are there, isn't it? Now, we are going to study about the life cycle of some insects, okay? Before starting that, you need to know one thing. These insects, some of the insects, they will be having 3 stages in their life cycle. Some insects like cockroaches, then grasshoppers, all these have 3 stages in their life cycle. But some other insects are not like that. Some other insects like houseflies, then butterflies, they have 4 stages in their life cycle. So both we have to study. So shall we start with cockroaches? Have you seen a cockroach? Yes, you might have seen him running through your houses and all, isn't it? So we are going to see the life cycle of a cockroach. Life cycle of a cockroach. Please see here. All of you please look at the board. Did you see the life cycle of a cockroach? Yes, this is the life cycle of a cockroach. How cockroaches reproduce. So how they are reproducing? By laying eggs. Yes, the adult cockroach lay eggs. So from these eggs, who is coming out? The baby cockroaches will be coming out. Do you know what its name is? It is called as nymph. It is called as nymph. N-Y-M-P-H. It is called as nymph. So what is the specialty of these nymphs, you know? Yes, they don't have any skin and all. See, they are not having wings like the big adult cockroaches. They don't have wings. They don't have well developed reproductive organ and all. So they are not so developed. What these nymphs will be doing? They will be shedding their skin. They will be removing their skin. They will be shedding their skin many times. They will be shedding their skin many times. After the so many times of shedding their skin, finally they will be growing to an adult cockroach. They will be growing to an adult cockroach. So you understood? Now the shedding of the skin, of these cockroaches and of these insects, it is called as molting. See, a new word for you, a new term for you. The shedding of old skin. The shedding of old skin. S-H-E-D-D-I-N-G. Shedding of old skin. The shedding of old skin. It is called as molting. It is called as molting. So you understood about the life cycle of a cockroach. From the egg, the baby cockroaches are coming out. Baby cockroaches are called nymphs. What these nymphs are doing? They will shed their skin many times, several times. After that, what is happening? Slowly, they will be growing to the adult cockroach. So the shedding of the old skin is called as molting. So you understood about the life cycle of cockroach? Yes. So how many stages they are having? 3 stages, isn't it? So in the same way, grasshoppers are also having 3 stages. Now we are going to see about insects which are having 4 stages in their life cycle. When I told about 4 stages, I gave you examples also. Which are the examples I gave? Yes, butterflies and houseflies. Let us see the life cycle of a butterfly. Next is life cycle of a butterfly. Life cycle of a butterfly. Just see this, children. Yes, here we are having the life cycle of a butterfly. Did you see? This is a life cycle. I told there are 4 stages. 4 stages. Now how the reproduction is happening? Let us see. Yes, the adult butterfly will lay cluster of eggs. Cluster of eggs. Do you remember when we studied about frogs? Yes, group of eggs. Cluster of eggs on the upper part of a leaf. They will be laying group of eggs in the upper part of a leaf. So the adult butterfly will be laying cluster of eggs in the upper part of a leaf. Now what happens, you know? Yes, these butterflies, the life cycle, it is involving metamorphosis. You remember this word metamorphosis? Yes, the transformation of a larva to the adult. That is called as metamorphosis. Frogs also undergoes the same process. Yes, so the life cycle of a butterfly is undergoing metamorphosis. So from these eggs, the larva is coming out. The baby is coming out. The larva, it is looking like a small worm. It is looking like a small worm. The larva of a butterfly. The larva of a butterfly is called as, see, caterpillar. Yes, I know that all of you know this term. The larva of a butterfly is called as caterpillar. I told that houseflies also have 4 stages. So in the same way, the larva of a housefly is called as maggot. So the larva of a housefly is maggot. The larva of a butterfly is caterpillar. Okay, so the caterpillar is looking like a small worm. Do you know what this caterpillar will do? When it is out, they will start eating the leaves. They will start eating the leaves. After some time, they will stop eating these leaves. After some time, they will stop eating the leaves. Slowly, what will happen, you know? They will have a covering around them. They will develop a covering around them, and that is called as cocoon. They will develop a covering around them, and that is called as cocoon. In this stage, it is called pupa. In this stage, it is called pupa. So where is it? Now it is inside. It is having a covering cocoon around it, and it is inside. So in the life cycle of a butterfly, this is the resting stage. So the pupa is inside and it is resting inside. Do you know what is happening inside? Yes, it is transforming into a adult butterfly. So it is getting ready to become a beautiful butterfly. After some times, what will happen? It will be ready. When it is ready to come out like a butterfly, it will burst out and our beautiful butterfly will be coming out. Did you understand the life cycle of a butterfly? Yes, you understood. So how it is? Yes, the butterflies will be laying cluster of eggs on the upper part of a leaf. On the upper part of a leaf. The larva will be coming out. What is the larva of a butterfly called? Caterpillar. What is the larva of a housefly called? Maggot. Maggot. Then after that, what will this caterpillar do? It will eat the leaves. After some days it will stop eating the leaves. It will stop eating the leaves and they will develop a covering. They will develop a covering. And what is it called? They will develop a cocoon. That is called as cocoon. At this stage, what is this called? It is called as pupa. The stage is pupa, which is the resting stage. Yes, this is the resting stage for the pupa. So after that, what will happen? So inside this cocoon, it is getting ready to become a beautiful butterfly. It will be bursting out and coming out and becoming a beautiful butterfly. That is the life cycle of a butterfly. So by that, we are completing our 4th lesson. That is animals and their young ones. So children, you have to ensure to read the textbook thoroughly. Okay? And if you take the textbook, take page number 1010, you may find some exercises. That is exercise C, D and E. Please try to complete as homework and ensure to read the lesson thoroughly. Okay? See you in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.